In this complete guide to secure messaging, we are going to walk through exactly how to create a Telegram account from scratch and how to secure it properly so no one else can access your chats. If you value your privacy and want to master this powerful app, please take a moment right now to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel, as it really supports us in creating detailed tech tutorials for you. Telegram has exploded in popularity because it offers cloud-based messaging, meaning you can access your chats from your phone, laptop, and tablet all at the same time without them being connected to each other. I am your host, and in this deep dive, we're not just going to do the basic sign-up, we will also cover how to set up a username so you can hide your phone number from strangers, and how to enable two-step verification to prevent hackers from stealing your account. To follow along, you simply need your iPhone or Android smartphone connected to the internet, and you must have a working phone number that can receive SMS text messages. Let us start with the initial setup. Open the Telegram app that you have downloaded from the store and tap the large button that says Start Messaging. The very first thing the app asks for is your country and your phone number. It is crucial that you check the country code at the top to make sure it matches your location, as getting this wrong is the #1 reason people do not receive the verification code. Enter your mobile number in the field below. Usually, you do not need to type the 0 at the beginning of your number, as the app handles the formatting for you. Then tap the arrow to proceed. It will also ask for your email address. I will log in with Apple as it is easier. It is possible to reach this message. For Telegram to verify your data, it will need to send a message. It is possible to ask you to support this verification. This is a one-time fee, and it will apply only when you create the account. I will tap Sign Up and continue the prompts. After the payment is done, an SMS will be sent to your phone. Now comes the verification stage. Telegram will send a 5-digit code via SMS to the number you provided. You need to open your Messages app, find that code, and type it into Telegram. A pro tip here is that if you have previously used Telegram on another device, like an old tablet or computer, the company might send the code to that active app instead of an SMS. So if you do not get the text message, check your other devices, or wait for the countdown timer to finish so you can request a phone call instead. Once you are verified, you will be asked to set up your profile. You are required to enter a first name, but the last name is optional. I highly recommend adding a profile picture right now by tapping on the camera icon, as this helps your friends recognize you immediately in their contact lists. After you tap the arrow to finish, the app will ask for permission to access your contacts. I suggest you allow this, as it will instantly sync your address book and show you exactly which of your friends are already using the platform, so you can start chatting instantly. Now let's move to the advanced security steps that most people skip. Once your account is open, I want you to go immediately into the Settings menu and tap on Privacy and Security. Inside this menu, look for two-step verification and turn it on. This allows you to set a cloud password that will be required anytime you log in from a new device. This is incredibly important because even if someone steals your SIM card or intercepts your SMS code, they still cannot access your messages without this second password. Finally, let's look at your public identity. By default, people who have your number can see you, but you can also set a username. Go back to the main Settings menu and tap on Username. The benefit of this is that you can give this username to people you meet online or in business groups, so they can message you without you ever having to reveal your real phone number, which keeps your personal data safe. So we've reached the end of our extended guide. We've gone beyond the basics. We successfully created your account, verified your number, and then took the extra time to lock down your security with a cloud password and protect your identity with a unique username. I sincerely hope this detailed walkthrough helps you communicate more safely and efficiently. If you found this detailed explanation useful, please give a like to this video. Finally, I have a question for you. Leave a comment below and tell me, are you joining Telegram for the news channels or just to chat with friends away from other apps? I'm curious to see how you use it. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.